Thank you for following along. Another episode of Forgotten Gear Restorations. I'm ducked out in the back of a incredibly packed indoor children's play area. It's toddler Hades in here. I can't get any peace. But we're going to restore peace to the owner of this poor 50-watt JCM900 that's been in storage for an entire decade. What have you been doing for the last 10 years? This old guy's been collecting dust. Owner says it won't make any sound on power up. We're going to find out why. Hey, I'm not your dad. I am not. Kevin, not to worry, buddy. Just cracked open your old 950 watter. And she hasn't been open for a long time. You told me she was in storage for a decade, and I believe it. She's not. This is not neglect. This is just storage evidence. That's fine. This one's set up for 6L6s or 5881s. It's got some old, looks like first gen JJ Teslas in there. Wow. One thing's for certain, upon power up, I did notice what you did. There's no sound, and it seems like she's not conducting. So let's see if we didn't maybe blow a fuse there. Possible short in one of these guys, huh? Maybe one of these old filter caps. Though I rarely see these go bad, but they do. Kevin, I think she cleaned up nicely. We do have a little bit of the cleaning fluid flashing off, and I do have to get some of the nooks and crannies there, but big improvement. Now I can start taking some measurements. All right there, Kevin. So listen, man. I was getting no high voltage to your tubes from the power supply. In fact, it wasn't even reaching any filtration stages. So popped the fuses out, and after resetting the fuses back into the fuse holders, she sprang to life. Now, what kind of issues do you have right now? Nothing major, which is great news. However, your pots and jacks need to be cleaned, especially your tube sockets, which have a ton of contamination. So I'll run through those and then we'll give her a test. Might be a lucky day for both of us, man.